Okay, so you're having problems with the area and you're supposed to use spreadsheets. So the document here is set up L for length, W for width, A for area. So in spreadsheets, what you can do is, I already have 4 here because I'm not going to use the same ones as your homework. And I have 9 here as the width. So we need to find the area. So click in the box and then come up here and pretty much type in the formula. So we're going to say equals, because that's going to tell it. You can see over here it changed. It's telling it that we're having a formula put in. So instead of saying equals 4 times 9, we're going to say coordinates B3, that's this box, column B, row 3, times column C, row 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to say B3, and then the little asterisk is the times, that's the time symbol, times C3, and hit enter. And there it gives us our answer. So let's do it again with another one. So we're going to say 27 is the length and 10 is our width. This is a really big rectangle, but really big. So we're going to say equals, wrong sign, equals B4 this time because we're on column 5 or row 4 times C4. Enter. And there you go. That's how you find the area of a rectangle using spreadsheets.